I have a Briggs & Stratton emergency power generator 5,250 running watts and 7,350 starting watts. Have not run in 2 years. Can't keep it running. I have replaced the old gas with fresh gas, still no luck.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Likely the carburetor has gummed up and the float bowl needs to be removed, and the float and needle valve cleaned with spray carburetor cleaner. Here is link to a twin-cylinder Briggs carburetor. All carbs are similar in design. http://outdoorpowerinfo.com/repairs/Briggs_intech_v twin_carb.asp. Or see if you can find engine model number and maybe we can be more specific. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.